I'm Matt Bishar with NAREITWeek.com. I'm here at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City for REITWeek 2016, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is Mark Alfieri, President, CEO, and COO of Monogram Residential Trust. Mark, thanks so much for joining us.
Pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Now, development's been a focus for external growth for your company for a while. What role do you see development playing as we go forward?
Well, development has been 70% of our growth since the onset in 2006 when the REIT was formed, and it'll be a primary focus for us moving forward. We look for about 70% of our growth in the company being in development long term.
And what is your current timetable for stabilizing the various properties that Monogram has under development?
Okay, we currently have 9 properties in the construction and development process. And all but one of those will stabilize by the end of 2017. So it's happening very quickly. You have a very mature pipeline, and only one project will be in lease-up come 2018.
Now, New England was a particularly strong market for Monogram in the first quarter. What was driving that, and how are your other markets faring?
New England was a real surprise for us. It came in very strong, but we were coming off a year where we had excessive snowmageddon expenses in 2015, and so we had a nice comparable, but still had terrific rent growth and very solid NOI growth overall. Some of the surprises over the last several quarters have been South Florida and Denver have been very strong markets for us. And now Southern California really looks good for this year. So 2016 and 17, we look to be stellar years in Southern California.
Now, are there any commonalities among those markets that are doing well? Any particular drivers that they share?
I would just say that, some markets recovered later in the cycle, and these are later recovery markets that are starting to move now.
Well, Mark, thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure. Thanks for having me.
For more from REITweek 2016, be sure to visit REIT.com.